Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to add a video background in WordPress. A video background can give your site a modern and engaging look, replacing plain colors or static images with movement that captures attention. The easiest way to do this is with Divi, a WordPress theme and page builder that makes it simple to add effects like video backgrounds without coding. If you want to follow along with me, you can use the link in the description to get Divi from Elegant Themes. Start by opening the page you want to edit and click Edit with Divi. Once the builder loads, choose the section where you want the video background. Hover over the section and click the settings icon to open the panel. In the background settings, you will see 4 tabs for color, gradient, image, and video. Click on the Video tab, then click Add Background Video. Upload your video file or select one from your media library. Divi will instantly apply it as the background for that section. To keep it smooth, enable the loop option so it plays continuously, and make sure mute is turned on so it does not distract visitors. For the best performance, use short and optimized video clips rather than long, heavy files. You can still place text, buttons, or other modules on top of the video. If the video makes your text hard to read, add a semi-transparent overlay color to balance the contrast. Before saving, preview the design on desktop, tablet, and phone. Some mobile devices block autoplay, so Divi lets you upload a fallback image. This ensures your section still looks professional even when the video does not play. Once you are happy, click Save and exit the builder. Now your site has a clean and modern video background. If you would like to try Divi for yourself and unlock all of these design options, click the link in the description to get it from Elegant Themes at a great price.